edamame bowl is so good and it only has 4 ingredients. So get frozen edamame beans, just cover with boiling water, stand for a few minutes. Drain the edamame. Then add some cooked protein. I'm going for canned salmon. Look a bit like cat food. I'm going to finish it with some Japanese mayo and furikake rice seasoning. Before we go, I better introduce myself. So my name's Jules Clancy. I used to be a food scientist and now I'm an extremely simple cooking coach. So I help food lovers simplify cooking so that it feels easy and relaxing, like curling up on the couch. And the other thing that makes my recipes unique, apart from the simplicity, is I always include a list of variations. So if you have different dietary requirements, we've got you sorted. For this easy edamame bowl, if you can't find frozen edamame, which are just soybeans, any other frozen veg are going to work. So it could be something like this, broccoli and cauliflower rice, or even frozen spinach is going to be good. And actually the edamame that I use, it's labeled as edamame salad, which means that the soybeans are removed from the pods, because if you just get frozen edamame, they will be still in their pods, which is fine. You can, when you're eating them, like just remove the pods. And then if you needed different types of proteins, if you're looking for a vegetarian option, boiled eggs are really good here, or you could use canned chickpeas or diced tofu. It's also really good with cooked chicken, or some meatballs can really spice things up. And then if you didn't have any wasabi mayonnaise, I love that Kewpie wasabi mayo. It does have a bit of a kick though, so you could just use regular mayonnaise, or you could use a sauce like hummus, or if you wanted to spice it up and use like a hot sauce like some sriracha with it as well. And then if you didn't have any of the furikake, it's worth getting. It's a really beautiful ingredient. It's a seaweed and sesame seed like rice seasoning. But if you didn't have that, you could just serve with some roast nuts like some cashews with sesame seeds, or something like roast macadamias. Hope you've enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe to my Stone Soup channel so you get more simple, easy, delicious recipes like this in your feed.